Hello, welcome to the Wild Animal Encounters series finale. The purpose of this series was to create awareness of what you may encounter in the wild. You've heard many stories, great stories, of what people all over North America had seen. Now, some of them were very funny, some of them are wow, and some of them are just, great stories that will be memories for a lifetime and has changed people's lives. So out of these stories, I was hoping that people would listen to them and kind of see what's in their area if they're going to go in the wild, and read up on how you would react in an encounter situation. Myself, from all the encounters that I had over my lifetime and reading up and such, I am alive today because of those encounters and my studying, I believe. I was charged by a huge black bear and also stalked. But by knowing the animal and how to react, I'm alive today, and I believe it was just because of my knowledge of how to react in that situation. So I want to say thank you for all the people that have watched this series, and I really enjoyed these stories, and I want to thank everybody that took part. So take care, and it's been a lot of fun. And as well, it has been informative. Thanks a lot, and take care.